How to connect Squarespace domain to WordPress. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll let you guys know the ways to connect Squarespace domain to WordPress. In order to connect Squarespace domain to WordPress, you need to follow the steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is add a domain. So start from your WordPress.com dashboard, navigate to upgrade domains or hosting or domain if using WP admin. After which you want to click the add a domain button and select use a domain I own from the drop down menu. After which you want to type the domain name you own and click the next button. Then on the next screen you will see two options, that is either to transfer, and now select the button next to connect your, click on the select button next to the connect your domain. It may take a few moments to redirect to the next screen, after which you want to click the start setup domain button on the connect screen. And if you have connected multiple domains to your WordPress.com site, you may be prompted to verify that you own the domain before starting setup process. Setup process will walk you through updating your domain's name server to point to WordPress.com. Now updating your name server means your DNS record will be managed in your WordPress.com account, and if you have an existing email service, your domain provider or another company, you will want to set up additional DNS record on WordPress.com to continue using the email service yourself. You want to update the name servers yourself, so you can log in into your Squarespace account and replace any existing domain name server address with a custom name server for the WordPress.com. So this way you'll be able to connect Squarespace domain to WordPress. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.